In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Payoneer app on Android. If you want an easy way to access your Payoneer account from your phone, the good news is that the official app is available directly through the Google Play Store. The process is simple, and in just a few moments, you'll be ready to open the app and start using it. Begin by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Google Play Store. This is the official app store for Android devices, and it's the safest place to download verified apps. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type Payoneer. After the results appear, look carefully for the official app listed as Payoneer Business Payments. It should show that it is published by Payoneer Inc. This part is important because you want to make sure you are downloading the legitimate app and not a similar-looking option. Taking a second to confirm the app name and publisher can help you avoid installing the wrong app. When you've found the correct listing, tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading the app automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. During this time, make sure your phone stays connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data so the installation can complete without interruption. Once the download is finished, you'll see the option to tap Open. Go ahead and tap it to launch the app for the first time. At this point, the app is successfully installed on your Android device. After installing the app, sign in with your Payoneer account to access your dashboard and features. If the app offers fingerprint login and your phone supports it, you can set that up as an optional step for faster and more convenient access in the future. It can be a helpful feature if you regularly check your account from your phone. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to use the app to send, receive, and manage payments directly from your device. That makes it much easier to keep track of your account while you're on the go. And that's it. The Payoneer app is now downloaded and ready to use on your Android phone. If you found this helpful, you can replay the steps anytime to follow along at your own pace.